Good morning. Thank you for joining. Today is a huge day for us. We are completing 9 years in Bookkeeper. The vision, the mission which was started in 2011, and today we have completed 9 years. This is a very big day for us. Company got registered later, but the vision, the mission, it was in our mind, and we started working on it in 2011, and in 2020 it's a 9 years. We are continuously working on one product, adding new features on a regular basis and delivering values to our customers. Our customers are like our family. We go to them, we listen to them, we keep on adding features, and we promise free updates for everyone. We don't charge for updates. We provide free updates to everyone. We had a vision in the mind in 2011 when we started working on it to make Bookkeeper super easy to use and affordable. Super easy to use, that means anybody in the world, on the planet can use it. Anybody, whether it's a layman or an accountant. That's why we have so many things in Bookkeeper. We call customers, we call it clients, we call it Sunday debtor, so that everybody can use it. We call it sales, we call it bill, we call it invoice, so that everybody can use it. Same way, we have expense, we have receipt, and we also have journal. We have balance sheet, profit loss, trial balance, and the day book. So that means everybody can use it. We have that vision in the mind. So our idea was to make it super easy to use and affordable. That's why we have monthly plan, yearly plan, and lifetime plans. That means it depends on you. Whatever plan you choose, you can use it. If you want to go for a trial, we provide a free trial, and still you want to try it out, you can go for a monthly plan. If you are sure of it, you have used it, you want to go for a yearly plan or the long-term commitment, a lifetime plan, you can go for it. The higher the plan, more the discount. So the idea, the purpose is still the same, to make it easy to use and affordable. There are so many applications today present in this market. They call it fintech market, and they are trying to add more values. Yes, even we are doing, but we are still stuck to these 2 points. We are not increasing our price so that people use it. Okay, anybody can use it, and with adding each and every feature, we still maintain this. They are easy to use. We provide them YouTube videos, but we prefer they don't use the videos. It should be so simple, so intuitive that anybody can use it. They should know when they open the window, they should know, okay, I have to add a customer, I have to add an item and the total. It should be that simple. It should not be like, okay, keep on go to customer, then add the 50 information, then go to item, add the another 50 information. No. If you want, you can enable it. If you are accountant, you want to add, you can do it. But we prefer to make it simple. Each and every feature should be simple so that anybody can use it. Company got registered in 2013, and since then we are growing 100%. Yes, I have put a mark over here because of this year. This year COVID situation, and yes, we have not grown 100%, but still that's a significant growth this year as well. Since 2011, we are continuously adding features. In 2011, the Android was released, then the 2012 iOS, and 2013 the major breakthrough Bookkeeper Windows was introduced. And in 2015, we have launched another major feature which is a backbone of Bookkeeper right now, that is Sync and multi-user. That means you can use on anywhere on any device. You can use on computer, Android phone, iPhone, laptop, iPad, Android tablet, any device. That's a sync. And if you are using a sync feature, that's another innovation. You don't have to use a server. You don't have to use the LAN. You don't have to make a system as a primary. Bookkeeper will manage everything on its own. That's a sync feature. And it has been almost 5 years, and sync feature is now the backbone of the bookkeeper. Our users go for 2 device plan, 3 device plan because they want to use that sync feature. They want to use one computer at home, one computer in office, and when they are traveling, they want to use on the mobile. Same way, the smaller company, they want to use computer in the office, and they send their field boys with a mobile phone to collect the orders or collect the payments. That's a sync feature. And with sync, there is multi-user. You can assign the permission. That's also we call role-based access. And in 2017, GST got introduced, and R got the first mobile application to have GST feature. And warehousing feature. In 2019, last year, we have introduced 2 new features. That's a payroll. That's a basic payroll. We are not providing the entire payroll system. That's a basic payroll which solves so many problems. And the add-ons. That means you can create your own reports. We have our customers, we have our distributors who are creating their own reports and giving it to their customers. That means if you know HTML, you know XML, or you have a little knowledge of the database, you can create your own report, whatever you want. And if you don't, no problem, you can contact any third party, any software developer, any IT people, they can do it for you. And in 2020, we have already launched 2 major features, that are compound unit, which is similar to Tally. We have Tally is since last 25 years in the market, and they have the compound unit feature perfect. And we have implemented a similar feature because so many users, so many accountants are using Tally, and even our users sometimes contact to their accountants and they are still using Tally, and they have the habit of using it. So, and they have this perfect feature of compound unit. There are so many softwares who have implemented compound unit, whether one way or the another way. So we have used that Tally feature and implemented a compound unit in a similar way. So you won't feel the difference. You can use the same concept here. And another batch expiry and the additional column, we have completed it. It was started a year back, but there was some flaws, and we have finally fixed it. Now batch and expiry is complete feature in Bookkeeper. So if you are a chemist, or you want to maintain an ISBN number of your books, or you want to maintain IMEI number of your cell phones, you can do it via this feature. Not only batch expiry, you can add almost 6 different columns, and you can track it. You can track the item about to expire. You can track via different batch. You can even record their manufacturing date. You can even record their weight and height. So all the features are there. We are continuously growing in terms of customers, in terms of clients, and also in terms of application. Our portfolio is increasing. We're not only working on a Bookkeeper, there are so many applications we have worked on, and some of them are still live on the Play Store and in market. That's a very big number in Bookkeeper till now. Can you imagine this? These many invoices has been created in Bookkeeper. These many invoices, almost 1 crore invoices only invoices, not only expense, purchase and all other voucher. I'm talking only about the invoices. And there is one more surprise. These are being created only on Bookkeeper Windows. I have not counted the Android part, I have not counted the iOS part, I have not counted the offline part. And these are only the numbers. We don't have any information of our user. That means we maintain 100% privacy. All the data is stored on your device. Nobody can see it. Even I don't know whether my customer are using their one company or the two companies or the 5 companies. We don't know whom they are sending the invoice. We have no idea whether they are maintaining the receipt or not. How they are maintaining, we have no clue about it. We only collect the stats. Stats means how we can improve the application. So we collect the information, like you go to accounts, you create an invoice, or after invoice whether you create a receipt. We create a stats part, statistics, and that too anonymously. That means when we see our computer, it shows it today 500 users have created 10,000 invoices, and out of 10,000 invoices, 400 users have created a receipt. That's a stats part. We are not accessing any of the data. You can read our privacy policy, you can read the terms and conditions. We have clearly mentioned we don't store any of your data. We don't store any of your information. That's our promise to our users. You can trust this is offline application. You can store everything in your phone, on your computer. You can sync, but still we promise you 100% privacy. Today is very big day for us. The vision, the mission, the idea which was started almost 9 years back. Today we have completed 9 years. Today, if I talk about in general terms, there are 95% startups which got failed in the first year, and on the second year, almost a 98-99%. But we were determined to this vision. We were determined to this mission. We have to do it. We have to solve the problem. In 2011, when we started this, there were so many problems. There were so many applications in the market, but they were not solving the problem. We started with this vision and mission to solve the problem. And today, I am very proud to announce that 9 years we have completed. That's a very big number for a small company, for a small startup, to complete the 9 years. And this is just the beginning. We have a bright future to come. Today we are present in 30 plus countries. If I talk about a pro plan, last year we have introduced a light plan which is present only on Android device. And if I talk about a light plan, we are present in 110 countries. This is so popular, the light version, which is present in 110 countries. Okay, let's talk about the features part. First, let's talk about the Bookkeeper Windows. We have already delivered in this year compound unit, batch expiry, account group feature. Not only these three, these are just the top 3 features. We have given almost 30 plus features in this year. In this pandemic, when everybody was working from home, when business was closed, we were working continuously, and we have delivered 30 plus new features, and all of these are free updates to everybody. If you have not tried, you can try it out. It is available as a beta part, and very soon it will go to everybody as a live update. You can download the beta update from your Bookkeeper. Go to help and download Bookkeeper beta program. Okay, you can download, you can use it, you can try it out. Next coming up feature is the another most demanded feature, that's a delivery challan. Again, we have completed all the feature via phase wise, so that the older functionality is not impacted. Same way delivery challan, the first phase will be released by the next week, by the 19th of October, and depending on feedback, depending on the user adaptability, we will complete it very soon. The first phase which is going to release by 19th of October. And again, all these are free updates. You can download the beta program and you can use it. And if you don't want to download the beta program, no problem. You will get the latest update very soon. We keep on rolling step by step, phase by phase to everybody. We intentionally do it via phase by phase. Reason is only this: if there is any error, we can catch it before it impacts you. Because you know, data is very important. You have your company, you have your financial information in your company, you have everything in your company. You have customers, you have suppliers, you have invoices, you have so many reports. Even if there is a smallest mistake of 0.01, it can impact you, and we don't want to impact you. That's why we implement features, we give it via beta to some people. Once they test it, they approve it, then we give it to another set of people. Once they approve it, then we give to another third set of people, and then we give it to everybody. Just because it is very important, your data is very important. We can't risk it. We can't. We don't want it impact your data. That's why we give it as a small chunk of users. As soon as they approve it, they are happy with it, we give it to another people. If there is any error, we try to fix it as soon as possible. Let's talk about Bookkeeper Android. Last year we introduced a Lite plan. We had a vision Bookkeeper Windows will go on the Pro and Bookkeeper Android will go on the Lite. Same way we have used it, and Bookkeeper Android Lite is already present in 110 countries. This year we have introduced Cash Manager. People who deal in cash. India is a country which is still running on the cash. There are UPI, there is Bheem app, there is a RuPay card, there is MasterCard, Visa, there are so many things, but still people are managing cash. And we have almost 15,000 downloads of Cash Manager. Within 2 months, it has already reached 15,000 downloads. And then we again went to our users, what do you want from us? How can we help you? So they asked, we want to do the marketing, but we don't want to hire the digital agency that their cost is very high. We want to do it, we want to post our status, we want to market, we are opening our shop, so we want to tell our clients that our shop is open. We want to inform them, we want to greet them, we want to share with them that this discount is available, this offer is available. But how can we do it? We post it on the WhatsApp status that look like very unprofessional. We want to do it like a professional. We have introduced a business marketing application, just 1 month and 10,000 downloads. So many people are crazy about it. They want to use it. They want to design the post. They have the creativity, but they don't want to hire the marketing agency because their cost is so high. They have a very small shop. Like there is one shop like a ration shop or the grocery shop. He just want to inform user that our shop is open. Our shop timing 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. But how do I do it? If I write on WhatsApp or the Facebook, just writing it, that doesn't look professional, doesn't look attractive. So we have introduced business marketing, which is totally free application. You can do it. You can make your post. We have even given 20 lakhs pictures for free. You can use them. You can design your own images. You can use your own creativity power, and you can make attractive posts and send it to your customers, send it to your clients, send it via Facebook, post on the WhatsApp status so that everybody around you, your customer, your client can see it. They can use it. They get the impressive idea and they want to visit your store. Just tell them the new pictures. Okay, today the new offer is available. Today the new stock is available. This is the kind of the idea which you can use. You can design the images that you can use. You can design via business marketing. That's a totally free application. But users were asking so many features. They like the idea. They want to design. They want to keep on adding so many things. So what we did, we hired a professional with us. We hired a professional which is the professional in images. We hired a professional which is professional in development. We can design, who can design this type of application. We hired a content guy. We hired so many people to add these many features where users are asking into this. But when we add so many people, we have to introduce a paid plan also. We are introducing the premium plan for business marketing, where you can do even more. You can add multiple images out of 20 lakhs library. You can add multiple images. You can add your logo. We will give you the curated content. We will give you the pre-designed content. So if you want to use it, you can use it. If you don't want to use, no problem. You can use a free version. The already free version already there. You can use it. There is no restriction. It is totally free and it will be totally free. If you want to use it, you can go for the premium plan. If you don't want to use, no problem. You can go for the free plan, which is already there. You can use it. Let's talk about the Bookkeeper iOS part. iOS, we are improving it slowly. We will keep on improving, but a little bit slow. We compared our data. We have users who are using on Windows. We are who are using on the Android part. But when we compare to iOS part, there are a little less users. So we will work on it, but a little bit slow. There may be the features, maybe little delay, but it will be backward compatible. That means the Bookkeeper Windows, whatever the new features are coming up on Android, they will be backward compatible with iOS. We are not stopping it. We are not putting a hold. It will continue on. It will be available on the App Store. You can use it. The Pro plan is available on the App Store. You can use it on your iPhone, iPad. That's all about the iOS part. For customer support, our ID always available, support@bookkeeperapp.net. I want to make a request to every customer, to every client. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We are also trying the Telegram part. But we request you to please email us your queries, whatever you have, if possible. I'm not saying we are stopping WhatsApp. Please email us. Why this is the reason? Let me tell you. On WhatsApp, that's a limitation of WhatsApp. It works on only one device or two devices, one on the phone, another on the desktop. But when we are working on WhatsApp, we get almost 200, 300, 400 chats. We want to reply you. We want to improve our support. We want to reply as fast as possible. But this is not at all practically possible. There is only one person who can operate it. There is only 2 persons maximum who can operate it. And answering to 200 people at a time, that is not at all practically possible. So if you want a faster reply, faster resolution of your query, we recommend to use our email. Please email us so that our entire team can use it. They can reply to you as fast as possible. Whenever there is no, for you it is not possible, if it is not possible for you to email, then you can of course WhatsApp us. I am just recommending it because we can improve our support and you will get a faster reply. Everybody in our team can use the email. But when I talk about the WhatsApp part, only 2 people can use it. And if 2 people are using it and they are replying to 200 chats, it will be delayed. That's not in our control. We can't control it. That's a limitation of WhatsApp. Even we can't do anything. We can't help it. So we want to improve it. We want to help you as fast as possible. Whenever you get an issue, we want to reply as soon as possible. But on WhatsApp, sometimes it is not possible. So that's why I recommend you to use our email. And the main and major point that I upload for the entire team who is working behind it, I thank you everyone who is working on it to make it a huge success. Our entire team is working dedicatedly. Even in the Corona time, everybody was working on it. They didn't take any leave. They were continuously working. They were giving the support from home. Even today, we are working from home. We are not opening our office to the full strength. We are working from home and still everybody is collaborating to provide the unmatched support to our customers. Thank you very much. Without the team, the vision is not possible. Thank you everyone. And what we can do to our team is we can provide them increments, we can retain them. The major thing we have done is, even in the Corona time, we have not deducted salary for anybody. We have not laid off any person due to Corona. We have done our best to the company what we can do, what is in our hand. Yes, increment was delayed due to Corona, but increments are now given for everybody. That's the best we can do right now in this time. We don't know about the future. Future is still uncertain till the vaccine is available, till the treatment is available. But we will try our best to grow, to retain our employees, to help them in whatever way possible. And we welcome the new candidates which are joining in this month and who have joined the last month. We welcome you all. There is one last question which is open to everybody in our team. If this video is going live, I want the answer from everybody who is watching the video. अगर आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, I want answer from everybody. From every client, from every customer, from every stakeholder, from every team member. On a daily basis, we get so many suggestions, almost 100 suggestions a day. We cannot implement it. Out of 100, we can implement hardly one suggestion a week, but we get so many suggestions from the customers. They want to use it. They are loving the bookkeeper. They want to use it. They want to get most of it. But we have a challenge. As a team, we are facing this challenge. So this question is open for everyone. We get so many suggestions. If we implement each and every suggestion, what will happen? Let's look at the future part. I get 100 suggestions. You want me to implement all of these features. if I try to implement all of these features, that means I have to increase the manpower. That means I have to hire the new candidates. I have to hire 10 or 20 new candidates who can implement with so many fast pace, who can implement out of 100 maybe the 20 features or the 30 features. Yes, we can do it. That's practically possible. We can hire the entire team who can work on so many features in parallel, and they can develop the wonderful world-class product. But what will happen if I implement so many features in Bookkeeper? If I hire a team of 20 new developers, what will happen? The Bookkeeper cost will be high. Bookkeeper cost will be high. Anyhow, we have to retain our team. We have to give them salary. So cost will be little high. Another thing, when we add so many features, we have to provide so many settings. We can't show you 100 of the options on the home screen. We have to provide you the settings. We have to provide you so many options, whether you want to enable it or not, whether you want to disable it, you want to enable A feature or the B or the C or D feature. What will happen after 2 years if we add everything, every feature in it? What will happen to it? At the end of 2 years, Bookkeeper which is available today is around 2500. That cost will be around 4000 or the 5000, because there is an entire team which is working on that. And when there will be so many features, there will be another product, the already product which are available in the market like Tally, Vigi and Mark. They are the very good comprehensive products. You have to probably go to school to learn how to use a software, and same thing will happen with Bookkeeper. If we provide so many options, same thing will happen. There will be so many settings. You have to hire an accountant who can use Bookkeeper. You have to either get a certification to use Bookkeeper, but that's not our vision. We started with a vision that easy to use and affordable. If we implement each and every suggestion, I think that will beat our vision. Bookkeeper will be just another product in the market. We don't want to make us just another product. We want to make it innovative. We want to make it simple. We want to make it affordable. We want to reach to everybody who want to use it. So I need your suggestion. What should we do in this case? We get so many suggestions. Every customer wants that feature. That feature is very important for their business. For A business, this feature is very important. For the B business, this feature is very important. But we cannot do each and every feature. We keep on noting them. We keep our Excel file to note each and every feature, and whenever there are so many requests for a single feature, we implement it. That's a way of our doing, of adding the new features. Our team is continuously working on it. Our team is continuously adding new features. There is not even a single day when we are not working on it. On every day we are working on it. We are adding new features continuously. Right now there are almost 28,000 suggestions are pending. 28,000 suggestions are pending. We cannot implement it. So I need your feedback, your suggestion. What should we do? Whether we add all of those features, or we stick to our vision to make it simple and available for everyone and affordable. That's all from my side. Thank you very much. This is a very big day for us. Thank you. Thank you for your support. for your trust in Bookkeeper. We will continuously keep on developing and provide value to our customers. Thank you. Thank you for joining.